Welcome to day 3. So, congratulations, you are just continuing today's task, and I hope you have completed all the tasks which I have given. So, last 2 days we have like not discussed about the problem. Like the first day we have discussed about the sequence rule. Means sequence means like how you will be consistent or how you will be like persistence. Now the consistency and the persistency is the key. Like if you are doing anything even like 1 minute a day, means there is a technique called 1 minute rule. In it's like a Japanese technique. So if you are doing only 1 minute for every day without like discreting that thing or without like any lagging, so only doing one thing in a few days, in a few months, it will be make you master in that skill or anything whichever you are doing. So this is the power. Like 1 minute for a day means in a week means you just done that for the 7 minute, isn't it? So that is the power of the consistency. So that's why the sequence rule is so important. Means you have to be like consistent, or you have to be get out from the things which you don't want to get into it, isn't it? So you have to take care of the things. You are the responsible for the things. You are the main, like the hero of your whatever the things happening in your life, in any kind of, in the level of behavior, in the level of thoughts, in level of the like society or any kind of, whenever you are associated with that, then you are the center point and you are the responsible for each and every day. Means you are trying to quit this habit, or you just want hard to get out of this habit or this addiction, but you unable to quit. But you have to take the stand and you have to keep trying. Means it will not like that much easy. If you see, if you have written your story, then it might be like 7 years, 10 years, even like more than 15 years a longer story. Like you might be started in 10th, 12th, or in at least in college. So right now like you have started in college, means nearby the 17 or 18 years. Right now you're 25, so it's like a long distance, 7 or 8 years, isn't it? So if you are doing something from the last 8 years, like 5 years, and you are thinking to quit in 5 days, then how it is possible? You have to give the time. You have to give that much determination. Means like you have to be like, if you have watched my 30 days bootcamp video, then there is a concept called Cain versus Bill. Means how you have the ability to do this thing, how you want, how much you have will to keep this thing to like carry forward. So this is the concept of the sequence rule. So keep trying the sequence rule, and at the end of this 5 days bootcamp, you already crossed, like you have crossed the first flat line. That is very big thing. No, so let's start. So in day 2 we have discussed about the golden rule. So this video is like the sequence or the continuation of the last day video, means day 2. So this is about the golden rule as well. Means golden rule we have seen about the trigger, means how the trigger affect and how the trigger leads to all this course of action. Means we get some trigger from the time, from the location, through our emotion, through any work of action, and due to that we get the urge, means something get sparked and we just lead to some that kind of website, some that kind of activity, and then finally watch the porn and then finally masturbate. So this is the PMO keep rotating, and this is the cycle, and in the middle dopamine is there. So dopamine works as a fuel. As much the dopamine we get, dopamine spike, as much we like just charged up. So you have to understand this problem. Again I'm saying, you have to understand the problem, then you have to work on the problem. So what we are going to learn today? So we have seen about the, like you have also done the task about the how you have to identify your trigger, and then you have to identify, eliminate, and then you have to replace. So today we are going to do the things about the replacing, how you can replace. So trigger consists mainly two things. One, we get some trigger and then we watch or either masturbate. So in watching, your eye is involved, and in masturbating your hand is involved, isn't it? So if you like get cut off, or like if you don't get into that way of your eye or hand, means if enable you able to control your eye and hand, then it might be control so much in like a great way. So what you have to do, you have to divert your attention, you have to divert your the like actions, you have to divert the situations. Like you can like keep busy yourself now whenever you're getting urge, so you just do some physical work like a sit up, a spot jogging, jumping jack, or you have to discipline yourself, you have to like self discipline, or like whatever the golden rule we are trying to say, or we will give you the some tools and techniques, then you have to follow the rigorously, you have to follow the like religiously. So the golden rule, the main points means what is the center point of the golden rule is only one thing. One is always keep your hands away from your waist area. Understood? Means throughout the waist area, means nearby your private part, you don't have to keep around your hand. Means always keep away your hand nearby your private parts or waist area, or always keep above the your waist part area. So like while even you are sleeping, so you have to like see in the picture how this girl like sleeping. Nah, he is just keeping his hand below his head, below her head. So you have to keep like that, so that means like there is a no chance, means there is a no scope to do the things. So you have to get into the mind, always control over your hand, means like na you have the great urge to like just touch your penis, or you have to touch your na like private part, but you have to be like keep away, like you can uh no always like just hold your hand, or like no you just tie somewhere. So the only rule, you have to keep away your hand. So another thing you can do, transparent premise, means what you said, you just keep transparent, means you don't be like in a closed, or like no always keep your door closed. So you just keep like the public place like that, so any kind of friend without asking or without any intervention they can come, so that you have a, like a fear, you have a like no sense of awareness, so that anyone can come anytime. So you just no when, so you don't make public yourself. That is the mean. Another one is instant gratification versus delayed gratification. What does it mean? Means no, the porn give you always a instant gratification. Means no, the instant gratification on the reptilian mode, it is so intense that now you just forget the consequences. Means right now no, you just doing the things for the 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and it not just expanded till the 5 hours. So every day 5 hours means it's like consuming a huge amount of your time, productivity, money, all kind of things. So you have to understand, like if you are taking the cigarette, you are smoking a cigarette, then it will give you the instant gratification. Whenever you are just taking the cigarette, then it will give you like instant pleasure, but in later on it leads to the cancer. Means as much as you get the instant pleasure, later on it is like more probability to get cancer, isn't it? So that is mean the instant gratification versus delayed gratification. So always whenever in mind, we have discussed we will discuss about the 5 second rule. So whenever na, getting that kind of thought, then you understand either it is instant gratification or either it is giving the delayed gratification. So first technique you can apply, rubber band technique. Rubber band technique means like any kind of things is happening because of the thought. Means first you will get the thought, and that thought is whatever the picture you have kept in mind. So you know, by watching porn and all the things, you know, always you get the pictures around that. So that picture leads to that kind of thought. That why you are always getting the sexual thought, because anything which is related, no, anything you just see around, or just not just related with that porn activity or porn videos. So that why you getting always that kind of thought. So whenever getting that thought, whenever you realize, just put a rubber on your wrist and just push hard. Whenever it just hit by your skin, then it will remind you, like it will like some little pain. So it will remind you to, you don't have to like remember this thing, or you don't have to like think about that. So this is called the rubber band technique. Another is called the extinction training. So extinction training, what is? So you can search on the Wikipedia, on Google, all the way. So like if you have a urge, or if you have a emotion, then so whenever you are just strongly saying that you will not do this thing. So but anyhow you will like surpassing your emotion. So in spite of surpassing your emotion, you just start from a few seconds, like you just have a strong urge to watch a porn. So watch for few seconds, like you just browse the website, and then instantly you just close the browser, means without just open and close. That is called a start, a stop. A start means there is a push button, then you just push, push, something like that. So that is called the extension theory. Means you have opened the no, website, or you just do that kind of course of activity, but you don't have to be get into the result. So another one is called the dopamine fasting. The dopamine fasting means as much as you can cut off from the digital things, or no, the things which is leading to the trigger. So you can do that kind of thing. Another one is Swiss pattern. So it's a very powerful things. So what you can do, you just form a visualization. Whatever the things like you want to get off from the porn addiction. So you just visualize what the things happen when you have just quit. Means you just quit permanently. Whatever the things happening. So you just visualize the future picture of yourself, then you just make a dot and place somewhere in your mind, isn't it? So that picture you just make a point and place somewhere in your mind. So next step you can do, so take a picture of right now the current state, means whatever the things happening because of the porn addiction right now. So you just visualize that thing, and then what you do, on the note of Swiss, you just expand the your future image. Means whenever you are seeing Swiss, then you just expand the future image and try to keep alive that future image, but instantly, or but like initially it will like there is a more powerful your current image. Means it will like you try to visualize that future image, but it will again you will only hold the current image. So just keep practicing, and whenever you are seeing that now your future image is more stable, then you can keep continuing. So that and next one is called the urge surfing. So what is that thing? It is similar kind of the things we have discussed. Means identify the physical sensation. Means whenever you are getting the urge or like arousal, then feel the that feeling and that arousal, that sensation in your part. Then focus on the sensation, and then notice the breathing. Means how your breathing is, how your breathing pattern is. Then again refocus your body. So like stay curious. Means whenever there is also said like if you are watching a porn, then you just try to watch the things. Means don't just get into the like just watch and masturbate. You just see the things, how the movie, and like it's also kind of movie, so how it is happening. So when you get into the meaning, then definitely it will see either it is a meaningful or not. So like that, whenever you get the sensation, you just try to recapture the things, try to divert your mind, try to the things how it is driven, then you will get to the know the you will get the cause. So now we will discuss about the window formatting. What is the window formatting? Window formatting is nothing but the where you just watch the porn on all the things through your generally system, computer, laptop, isn't it? So what you can do, so first of all you install Safe Search. So through Google or Google extension, Chrome extension, all means from everywhere you can just install. And there is also some app as well called Porn Blocker or something, you can just download. Then you can enable parent control, you can enable filter, no incognito. Means never ever you just no, whenever if you habituated to watching porn, then you already know. So generally you search in the incognito mode, so there is a no incognito mode. You can do the install the ad blocker. So why ad blocker? Because there are some pictures which is like leading that kind of the nudity or that kind of the picture, so that will show you like so many internet or other things are like they are collecting the your email address and all the things, your cage you're searching. So according to your search, they will try to push that kind of content so that you will land to their website. Magic mailbox, like something that is alluring, isn't it? So like someone text you this message, someone mail you like that, and you will just get into that way. Format the hard drive. If you have like some hard downloaded that kind of a stuff, then you just delete that alt plus shift and permanent delete that kind of material. Burn the material. Like if you have like some paper or some like a storybook adult content on all the things, magazines, so you can burn that thing, so you cannot get the, means it is not easily accessible. Fresh start. So like so many website and others, they are collecting your case, they are collecting your data, and they are feeding according to like that is called the phishing, we will discuss later. So they are just trying to trap you. So you just what you can do, just make a new email id and then log in everywhere with your new email id. So it's like a fresh start, there is no case, there is no any search, and you just try not to search that kind of stuff. So you have to control over the Insta, means any kind of the model or all the things you have to like now where you get the trigger, means you have identified, now you get into the how you will get the trigger. So any kind of the stuff, any kind of things by which you getting the trigger, just unfollow them and unfollow from there. If you like more problematic, then uninstall, simple. Turn off the notification. So just go to the setting of your mobile computer or PC and just turn off the notification. But it is a biggest distraction. So there is no meaning of, if you have like something important, then you just keep for that notification on. Otherwise you just unmute or like no, turn off the notification, black and white. So like the color grading is so important, like no, like advertisement or all the things, graphics, they emphasize the color. So that will also allure and also attract to that way, and they're trying to trap, and they will play with the psychology. So just keep your display black and white, and that is called color blinding or not. So that will give you like anything black and white, then there is no interest, isn't it? Keep deleting your history, no VPN. So again, no, like you will install all the thing and now you are using VPN, then definitely you will land it to that kind of thing. So no VPN. Phishing. So phishing is something like that, how we fish. So we have like some string hook, and then we go to the pond or river and then we fish, isn't it? So something like that, they some people are trying to fish you. So you have to understand this problem. So by the notification, so you have to turn off the notification. Like you can change the Google privacy and security. How you will change? So you just go to the Google setting and then you will change this. So you will make like that thing not off, so that you will not get that kind of the ad. You can change the ad setting as well. Keep clearing your browser and history, social media ad blocker, recommendation. It's a very like na things like na recommendation, like they will, you will just watch something that kind of a stuff, then it will give some like little higher order of that kind of recommendation. Then finally you land to that kind of website. So you have to also understand that kind of the algorithm and all the things over using over the YouTube and Facebook, WhatsApp, all over the things. Cyber squatting is something like that. You are searching something and like they have some false website, you can say, and you are searching something on Google or somewhere search engine, and they will land to that kind of website according to your search. So understand the hook. So you have to understand the hook. You don't have to be hooked up. So you have to get your ability, you have to get your awareness, knowledge and things. You have to choose the things. Then it is very powerful, that is called procrastination killer. So we are going to discuss about the two things, 5-second rule and the reverse procrastination. So 5-second rule is nothing but like whenever you are getting the thought, means thought is the problem, means thought, and then according to that either it is yes or no. So according to yes, you will going to perform the action. No means it's a stop. Then again you will get another thought, then a yes no, then according to that you will go or you will perform some action. So when you are getting that kind of thought, means like sexual thought, or you have the urge or you have the trigger to just watch some porn or like masturbation. So whenever getting the thought, you just count in reverse way, 5 4 3 2 1. Simple, 5 4 3 2 1. Nothing you have to do without thinking anything. You just count 5 4 3. You just make a practice. You just try to, whenever getting that kind of thing or anything which you don't want to come into your mind, just uh, repeat 5 4 3 2 1. So you just keep practicing. You will get the like a huge benefit, or like it give you the wonderful result. So you can also read the book of Mel Robin, 5-second rule. Another one is called reverse procrastination. Like the thing is also a kind of procrastination. Like you want, you have like every day you are saying I will not watch right now, or like this is the lifestyle, but still you get into that mode. So this is also kind of procrastination. What you can do, you just make another action. Like whenever you are just watch the porn, you will do something which you hate most. Like you will take like Karela or bitter gourd or something, neem juice or something you don't want. Like you will 100 push up. Whenever you masturbate, you will do 100 push up. So whenever we are thinking for the another thing which you hate most, so that will like counter the sequences. It means like you have decided, so whenever I get the thought for the masturbation or porn, I will do the 100 sit up before the masturbation or after the masturbation. Then whenever you get the thought, or you just want to do the sit up, but that urge is so strong, then finally you masturbate. Then you have to decide it, and you have to like it, you have to do, it's like a rule. So then you will do the 100 sit-ups and 100 push-up or any kind of things which you hate most. Then after doing that action, then next time you will not want to do again. So that will surpass more, means that pain is more than this pain. So just do the things, you just decide any kind of thing which you hate most, means after doing this thing or like masturbation or watching porn, you will just decide something like watching porn. You just ask to your friend, whenever you caught me watching porn, you just I will give you some money or something like treat. So you can do this kind of things, so that will help you a lot. Health is wealth, isn't it? So like you eat the food which is foodable, means like you have to eat for the food, means something which is more like light or which is more suitable, seasonal. Milk, so you can take the milk, but I suggest you, whenever like you have like fit and there is no any physical bondage or physical things, or like you just fit, then you can avoid the milk, because you are taking the milk or you are not consuming, or not like you are not doing so hard work like gym or something physical work, then it's like making you more energetic, and then finally it will leads you more urge or arousal. So better to like it will also like during the flat time, means like you at the flat time of 11th or like 20 days, 21 days or 30 days, so nearby the flat line you can avoid taking milk. So it is recommendable, but it's depends on you, so it nothing like that hard and fast rule. So but if nearby the flat line, you can avoid the milk. Or now if you are fit and doing the no fab challenge, then you can avoid or you can take in better way, like you can see the result, means whenever you're taking the milk you will feel the energy. So if you more energy or you are unable to dissipate that energy, then you can reduce the quantity, or you can just hold for few days. Amla juice is very like fruitful. Always take the seasonal things, no fried or junk food, physical activity, do the hard physical activity so that you can sweat more, then you will like get more, your body get so tired, so you will not think of that kind of things, so you get also easy sleep. And do like self belief or something, you can do fasting, so that will help wonderful to dissipate your energy. Next one is some life hacks. So whatever the life hacks, like you can do the context whatever the things you are doing, you just write down. We also suggest you just write down your journaling or truth journaling, we can say, whatever the kind of things, that is called the ABC, or any action, behavior, cause, or whatever the reason behind that, you just write down the things about your no 5 challenge or this 5 days. So you can just take the 30-day challenge, you can find out through our like anywhere you can find out the 30 days boot camp, so you can just watch out through my YouTube channel. So rituals, you just apply some rituals, means any kind of things you just make the in practice. Like whenever you are just wake up, you will make your bed, you will just dress up your bed, or like before going to bed, you just wash your feet, hand, so like it will calm. And so this kind of any kind of things which you giving the relax, like we have just discussed Swiss pattern, this is also kind of a ritual, means you are suggesting your mind. We will see the more detail in auto suggesting part. So it's kind of reminding yourself, kind of feeding yourself. Checklist manifest means you just clutter your mind, your clutter your surrounding, you just make clutter free, means for any kind of things you just make a checklist. Don't pressure over your mind or brain, like for anything like you are traveling or anywhere, you just forget something, or like you're reading, or whatever the checklist means, whatever your day, and you have to like plan, pre-plan, so that your mind don't get into that action and you are just irritated and frustrated. So you have to be like planned in a very well manner. So there is one called Stranger Sick. So there is a very famous of all night ringer Stranger Sick. You can start listening that. That will help you a lot. Reframing. Reframing is something like whatever the situation. If you are like thinking for something happening like not according to you, or like it is a bad time, so you can just reframe the things. What you can means totally how the thought now whatever the other side of the that incident, that time. 6 paid medicine, it's a wonderful, so you can just try out, and it will be very planned way. So you just go through the mind valley or YouTube or Facebook or Google, anywhere. You just write 5 6 page meditation. It's a 20-minute meditation, so that will help you a lot. You can also do in 5 minute, 10 minute by increasing its speed. One is called 30-second mindfulness. You can just search on TEDx or YouTube or Google 30-second mindfulness. You will get the video. So you have to decide the three things, like any kind of, right now I'm doing the recording with laptop, mobile, or uh, charger. So if there is a three thing, laptop, mobile. So for each time, 3 into 3 means, like whenever you see whenever you are just see or observe like mobile, then you take a deep breath like laptop, then take a deep breath, then charger, then take a deep breath. So you repeat 3 times. This is called the 30-second mindfulness. So it will work wonderful. Whatever the other things, like work your ass up, means keep busy yourself. So whenever you are busy, then there is no any unwanted thought, or like there is some or certain pop-up. So the books, so you just try to read a lot books and books, so that will help you a lot. People, means you just keep some people which is are more like energetic, or like they will help you a lot, means they will like, as much as the people are like, if you are the people surrounding you are not that much, or like no, you want something, or the people are lower standard, or don't have the that up to mark, then you have to surround the people which you love. Or like if you don't able to surround, then you just keep like surround with the online. There are so many people available online, so you can just make as a friend, or in follow them, and try to make into the board of your uh, board. So sleep, you have to control your sleep pattern. So generally it is said, it's totally depend on you, or like your day-to-day activity, but generally 11 to 2 or 11 to 3 4 means it's a best time. So get into the like right time sleep, or no, it's like according to your appetite, or according to you how much you're comfortable, but try to wake up in the morning. That will be the best, and so many people are recommending that, that have the power. So you have to, the thing is not sleep or waking time. So you have to take care of your sleep, means don't excess sleep or don't less sleep, but you have the healthy sleep. Another one is the application to inverse, means something you have to believe greatness to the person, to the people, or the surroundings. And the most important is you, as you said, you are the central point. So you have to take care of yourself, and you have to responsible for each and everything, isn't it? So what is the task of today? So always keep your hand away from the waist area, as you said. That is the like crux of the golden rule. Keep your hand below your head while sleeping. Okay. So practice 5 second rule today for at least 11 times. And what you hate the most, that is reverse procrastination. And you just post the group, you have completed your task, means 11 times. Or how you sleep, just try to sleep you today. Just keep your hand below your head. So just keep in mind, that is the golden rule. So I hope you will get the like very good idea, and you can just keep the batch and give the some feedback how we can improve that video. And I hope you will get